We will guide you through how to make text a smart object in Photopea. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, double-click the browser icon on your desktop or taskbar to launch it and wait for the window to open completely. Click inside the address bar, type Photopea, and then press enter on your keyboard to search for the website. From the search results, select the top option, 𝗟𝗹𝗞𝗘, to open the official online editor. After a few moments, the Photopea homepage will appear on your screen. Click the Open from Computer button to access the image files you want to edit. Browse to the folder where you previously prepared your photos, locate them, then select several photos and click Open to load them into the editor. Once the editing page finishes loading, press Ctrl and 0 together on your keyboard to automatically fit the canvas to your screen for a more comfortable workspace. To create a text smart object, first look at the toolbar located on the left side of the screen. In that toolbar, find the Type tool, also called the Text tool. If you cannot find it immediately, right-click the T symbol to reveal the available text tool options. Click the Type tool to activate it. Next, begin typing the text that you want to turn into a smart object. After you finish entering your text, click the check mark at the top of the workspace to confirm it. Then press the V key on your keyboard to switch to the Move tool. Resize and reposition the text until it fits your canvas properly. When you are satisfied with the placement, right-click the text layer in the Layers panel. From the menu that appears, choose Convert to Smart Object. Your text is now a smart object, and you have successfully learned how to make text a smart object in Photopea.